So, yung defense natin along the length of the field ay tao-tao lang lagi. So, man-on-man lang siya, mirrors. Pero at all times, isang person lang dapat yung aangat to take the touch. Kasi otherwise, kunwari dalawa kayong umangat, pwedeng offside kayo pareho, tas makascoot or makalusot or whatever. So may tatlong klase na defense. So, merong sponge, merong one man na shoot, tapos meron yung tinatawag na two. So, unahin natin yung sponge. So, sa sponge, may one person na aangat to take the touch. Tapos, yung rest ng defensive line ay magti-trail not so far behind yung person na magti-take ng touch. So, I think for kung makakalaban natin ay faster teams, itong sponge na defense yung pinaka-ideal. Kasi in case malagpasan yung person na supposedly magti-take ng touch, nandun close behind yung rest ng defense para mag-cover. So, next ay yung one man na shoot. So, bale, may one person na aangat to take the touch. Pero unlike yung sponge, hindi na nila kailangan mag-trail behind and they can start getting onside. So, pwede yung defense na to, I think, against slower and tsaka yung mga more predictable na teams na alam mo na sure na kahit isa lang yung person umangat, matatouch talaga yung player na may bola. So, again, sa shooting na defense, habang yung person na magti-take ng touch, umangat na siya to touch, yung rest, pwede na silang umatras to get onside. So, maganda yung shooting na defense kasi kaya niyang i-stop kagad yung offense from moving forward. So, for example, na-take na nito yung touch. Since onside na yung player na to, so, as this defensive player is moving back, wait lang. Yun. As this player is moving back to get onside, pwede na tong player nito na umangat to take the touch. So, pag nag-swing yung bola sa other na offensive player, nandyan na agad yung defense para i-touch siya. So, ayun, since onside na si 2, habang tinitake ni 3 yung touch, so, pwede na silang mag-switch positions kagad. So, mabilis na pwedeng magkaroon ng stoppage. So, yung 2, bale, 2-man siya na shooting defense. So, for example, ito yung middle, link. Sa 2, magkapares yung alternate na mid-link. So, for example, nandito yung touch. Tapos itong pares na to, yung una na aangat. So, aangat sila to take the touch. Pero, one person lang yung magti-take talaga ng touch na, for example, sa kaso, ay si 4. Tapos, yung link, for example. Tapos si 2, yung middle, nandyan lang siya to trail behind just in case hindi matouch ni 4. Tapos, parang yung one man na shoot kanina, habang tinatouch ng mga players na to, yung person na may hawak ng bola, yung rest ng defensive line ay nagiget na onside. So, pagka-touch nila, pwede na ring umangat yung kabilang pares. Yun. So, as these two are getting onside, these two are attempting to take the touch. Ayun. And so on. So, maganda yung drive na coax sa mga defense na nagsushoot kasi pinapass natin ng wide yung bola as compared sa mga ISB or one-side drive. So, pwede nating malusutan yung mga players na nagsushoot. So, hindi effective yung mga parang ISB sa ganitong mga defense dahil straight lang, 'di ba, yung hinihit na line. So, nape-predict na ng defense, tas pagka-shoot, very little space pa lang yung nagigain na territory ng mga nagda-drive, ng mga drives like ISB and one-side drive.